The BN Link Reptile heating pad with adjustable knob is simple and easy to use and comes in either a 6-inch by 8-inch size or an 8-inch by 12-inch size. The 6-inch by 8-inch size is 8 watts and the 8-inch by 12-inch size is 16 watts, making it economical for daily use. With the adjustable knob, heat can easily be adjusted. Let's begin setup. There are 2 ways to install the heating pad. The first and preferred option is to mount it to the side of the terrarium. To do so, peel the backing off and apply directly to the side of the terrarium. This will slowly heat the glass and then the air inside the terrarium. The second way to mount is on the bottom of the terrarium. Please note that if there is a dresser or fabric or anything under your terrarium, then you must mount on the side of the terrarium. To mount to the bottom of the terrarium, first clean the bottom of the terrarium. Then peel back the sticker on the heating mat. Then stick onto the bottom of the terrarium. Be sure to place on either the right or left side, not in the middle, so that the tank is warmer on one side and has a natural temperature gradient. If mounting on the bottom of the terrarium, be sure that you are using the rubber feet that came with the terrarium, as the heat mat must be slightly elevated. If the heating mat is mounted to the bottom of the tank, you must use substrate material, which will prevent reptiles from burrowing down, resting on the glass, and getting burned on the heating pad. Note that some cage liners or inserts use plastic or rubberized backing that could melt. If you use gravel or sand-type substrates, use no more than 1.5-inch depth. Once attached to the terrarium, peeling off could damage the heat pad and will void the warranty. Lastly, plug in your heating pad. Twist the knob clockwise past the clicking sound to turn it on. Turn the knob counterclockwise all the way past the click to turn it off. The further you twist the knob clockwise, the hotter the mat will output. The mat will take 6 hours minimum to heat the tank fully. If your reptile spends all its time near the heat pad, that means there is not enough heat in the cage, and you should turn up the heat on the knob. Or if it's already all the way up, add supplemental heat right away. Before cleaning the terrarium, make sure the heat mat is unplugged and has fully cooled down. Be careful not to use a heat mat that is too small or large for the terrarium you own, as this could provide overheating or underheating. For more information, safety warnings, helpful hints, and troubleshooting, please review the included guide. Thanks for choosing BN Link.